What you looking at?
That dog down there, that's old Tim Johnson.
Oh, yeah. What's he doing?
I don't know, Scout. We better go tell Calpurnia. Cal, can you come here for a sec?
What for?
It's old Tim Johnson.
I can't wrap a dog's foot right now. There's some wrap in the bathroom and you can do it yourself.
That's not it, Cal. He's sick.
What's he doing?
He's doing this.
Are you telling me a story, Jim?
No, Cal, look. He's gone lopsided.
Get inside now. Yes, Mr. Finch's office? Mr. Finch, this is Cal. There's a mad dog down the street. Yes. Just down the street, sir. Yes? Yes, sir. Bye.
There he is.
He has it all right, Mr. Finch.
Stay inside, Jeb. Keep him in there, Cal. He's within range.
You can walk straight.
Shh. Shut up, Jim.
Anything walk in front of that dog will surely set it off.
Looks like he's looking for a place to die.
Finch.
Oh, no, Mr. Tate. He can't shoot.
Don't waste time, Heck.
For God's sake, you take the shot.
It's a one-shot job. Don't just stand there.
You know I'm a bad shot.
I haven't shot in years.
I'd be more comfortable if you did it.
Now remember, stay away from that dog. It's just as dangerous dead as it is alive.
Yes, sir. Atticus?
Yes, son.
Nothing.
What's wrong, son? You didn't know your dad was the best shot in town?
Oh, hush, Heck. Let's get back into town. Now remember, stay away from that dog.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go pick up Zemo. Go call Zemo and get the dog. There's the dog. You can deal with him now.
Okay, I'll get taken care of.